Hello and welcome to a new video. My name is Herwig Juster and today I show you my 5 favorite polymer material databases for polymer material selection in 2022. Okay, let us get started. I will show you some established sources, some platforms which are already long in the market and have a broad property database, and also some newcomers we will discuss. Okay, around the established players, we'll have a look at SpecialChem Omnexus material selection platform. Then we will discuss the UL Prospector and also have a look at the materials web, the MatWeb, and I will also show you where you can find on my blog Findoutaboutplastics.com some material data, especially for high performance polymers and engineering plastics. Around the newcomers, we will discuss MatMatch. And yeah, let's jump onto the browser and I will show you now one after the other. Okay, see you. Okay, let us start with SpecialChem, the first one. So as you can see here, opened in the browser SpecialChem.com, and here you have two options: find the materials you need or market your products. We go here to materials, start searching, and then you can see what industry are you interested in. We have plastic, elastomers, coatings, adhesives, cosmetics, polymer additives, and here we want to go for property data to plastics and elastomers. And then it opens Omnexus. This is their material selection platform, and you have the plastic select itself for different grades, and you have selection resources. There you have tech resources, tutorials and courses, and for polymer properties we can go here and it opens a new window with alphabetically all the material properties. And for example, you can see elongation, break, flammability, and we click on it now. You can see first here explanation of the UL94 and the testing types. So what does the UL94HB mean, and what is a V0, and what is a 5VB, and some more explanations, and what we can and here you can find then some examples. Also we can go back, like for example, let's take density. Here's again explanation, and here density value of several plastics. So this is interesting. You have always in this table with a minimum value, maximum value, and the different all kind of polymers, like for example LCP. Then you have a carbon fiber reinforced, glass fiber reinforced, mineral filled. So it can give you first information on such data. Okay. Okay, next platform for polymer property data is UL Prospector. Here again, I went now on their homepage, ulprospector.com, and into the plastics and elastomer section. And here we have two main paths to go forward. The one is to browse the data sheets, and the other one is explore generic families. So when we click here now, generic plastic families, you see all kind of thermoplastics, thermosets, and so on. And for example, when we go here to fluoropolymers, you can have a general description, and we have here manufacturers, classification, and materials. For example, here are all kind of brand names listed, what are what are out here. So when we go back now, generics, and let's also take, for example, ABS. We have here also use cases, we have also features. We'll look here at the features. So what it can all fulfill. For example, additive-free, amorphous, antioxidant. And when you click here, you have always also yeah, you need to log in, so you can create to access those data. You can get here good overview of manufacturers and also the materials, like when we take here one ABS plus, you can see here the technical data. You can download the data sheet. However, you need always a login. This is more or less also the downside, that you need really to register to log in, and then you have access to all the data. Okay. Okay, let's continue with MatWeb. So just go to matweb.com, and you can access the information here, searchable database for material properties, and there are different search strategies. So for example, for the advanced search you need to be also registered. However, you can also use here material property search, and it opens a new window. You can select free material properties. You can see here, you can chubby, impact, CTE, and so on, or you just browse here, for example, Polymer. Then it opens again, and here we have then thermoplastics, for example. And here again we have our ABS. We can select and then find. And you can see here then all kind of data. So when we just want to have an overview here, most of the first is a standard overview for injection molded ABS parts, materials. And here you see then the physical properties, mechanical properties, electrical properties, thermal, optical, processing, and we have also nice is you have in metric and in English units. And what is also good, you can download immediately as a PDF, or you can download as an Excel. And when you're registered, you can also export the data to your CAD finite element analysis program too. So it's really quite handy access of free data and good further processable to download as a PDF or as an Excel. So it's although the style itself is should not scare you, it's a bit older. However, the content and the information is really powerful. So it's one of my favorite tools to access in a fast way material data. Okay, let's continue with Findoutaboutplastics.com, so my blog, where I have also material data. You just go on online calculation tools and material databases, and you can access also discussed before. I listed here also Omnexus and also the campus database for what is quite famous. However, here design properties for engineers, high performance polymers. When you access here, you come to a post where you have all the data listed, what I have published so far on design properties. For example, HDT at 1.0 for high performance polymers, so it's more on the engineering and high performance polymer side. Okay, let's continue with MatMatch, one of the younger ones. Here you can access the data over here, find materials, and there you see they offer ceramics. So let's go there, glass, metal, and metal they have quite a lot of materials. Plastics is 3 categories: elastomer, thermoplastic, thermosetting. So when you go here, thermoplastics, it opens up, you see immediately here material property you can select. You can also have some other filters like processing, shape, unit, and also suppliers, also application. And we have here the result list, and also you can use SB charts. And for example, when we go here now on this Lexan copolymer, opens up a new window, you can immediately access here the data sheet as a Excel or as a PDF. You have here the description, and here you have immediately also the SB chart of this material. And in black you can see here the Lexan, here the spot, and then the polymer radius, the metal composites, so the other type of materials. Here you can find also free accessible immediately the information. It's similar to MatWeb. Also the feature with the Excel and also with the PDF, so it's quite handy. Compared to MatWeb, MatMatch has not yet so many different grades and informations. However, they are building up, so it's always worth to also have a look there if you need certain grades. Okay, if you want to have more information on polymer engineering topics, I highly recommend you my blog Findoutaboutplastics.com, as well as my online courses on polymer material selection. I will link you both the blog and the online courses in the description below. Okay, which video to watch next? In this video I discuss how to simply estimate the extrusion residence time by using an online tool. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Till next time, bye!